Are you looking for a Braille embosser that won't break the bank? Or maybe just want something that's light and portable and easy to take with you? Well, the IRIE Braille Buddy is the most affordable Braille embosser in the world. And it even comes with software so you can do Braille and tactile graphics straight out of the box. The IRIE Braille Buddy weighs only 11 pounds, and you can get an optional protective rolling carry case so you can take Braille Buddy with you wherever you go. Let's take a quick look at the IRIE Braille Buddy Braille Embosser. Welcome to IRIE AT, Braille and Vision. Inside the box, you'll find a plastic bag. This has the manual, the software, quick start guides, and other things on it. The software comes on this little USB drive on here. You'll also find the paper tray, and of course, the embosser itself. Let's pull everything out of the box and get started. Okay, so everything is out of the box now, and we have everything that we need to start making Braille and tactile graphics except for the computer. But before we get started, the first thing we need to do is we need to install the Braille printer driver, the driver that we put on the computer to run this baby. We've got a video up here, you can hit that link. We've got a video to show you how to install the IRIE printer driver. Go ahead and do that first, get going on the printer driver, and then we can get into the rest of the setup. Okay, once the printer driver is installed, you're ready to plug in the embosser. So I'll turn it around on the rear side. You can take the power plug, plug that into, it'd be on your left side if you were facing the rear of it, or right side if you're like me and you're in the front of it. Get the power cord in there. So the next up we want to plug in the USB cable. Plug in the square end there. We'll take that up underneath the device, and there's a slight rounded area. You can plug it in right there, and we're plugged in and ready to go. So before you power this guy up, you're going to make sure to take the shipping locks out of it. So pop off the little case in front, and there's two cardboard pieces that need to come out of here. Once those are out, you can put your case back on, just the top clear parts, and then you'll be able to turn on the embosser. So once I get those out, I can turn on the embosser. To do so, I'm going to turn it to the side. And we have the power button right there. I can just flip that switch, and the embosser will come on. Let me do that. There we go. Braille Buddy's on and ready to rock. Okay, so now we need to try to get some paper in this guy. So let me turn it around so you can see what I'm doing here. So we have two different types of paper that we can use. We can use tractor paper and we can use cut sheet. And I'm going to load some tractor paper here first. So there's two clippies that hold the tractor paper on here, and one of them will slide. There's a lock on it, and flip that up, and then this will slide, and then you can have different sizes of paper. So I'm going to take some tractor paper here, and I can just put that in the first one that doesn't move in a little clippy, move the other clippy over, and now I want to have that a little bit, I want it tight but not too tight, so I put it to the edge and then I let it go, and then it seems to be the perfect tension. So now there's some buttons on the front of it. Turn that back around. Go. So now to get the paper fed in, I can just press that and bring it in. And then I really don't have to do much. Just when I start the paper job, it'll start on its own. If I want to back it back out again, press that button and move the paper back out. So let's see what this looks like when we do some cut sheet paper. So we can also do cut sheet paper. Turn this back around for you. Now there's a switch on here. I don't know if you get that on camera good, and there's some sort of tactile, sort of visual icons on here. But basically, if you put it in the up position, you're going to do cut sheet. If you're going to do it down position, then it'll run the tractors. So since I want to use cut sheet, I also want to use the paper tray. So the paper tray I haven't had on there yet. There's a couple of little notches. You can pull this around and show you that they extrude just above the tractor strips. There's an open channel here in the back, and there's two little nodes that stick out, and there's slots on the paper tray itself. I can just put those over the nodes, push those on, and then I have my paper tray on there, and it will sit down if I just am not using it. Now if I want to use paper, then I want to have it in the up position if I want to use the cut sheet paper. So I will flip the little toggle up into cut sheet paper, and then I have these nice guides that slide back and forth on the paper tray. I can just put that in and see it senses the paper, and it's ready to go. Just hit print, and I'll be printing on my Braille Buddy. The IRIE Braille Buddy comes with the Tiger software suite, which allows you to create Braille and tactile graphics within Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. We've got a bunch of tutorials on the Tiger software suite and have more to come. Check out that link here up in the upper right-hand corner. You can also use your Braille Buddy with other Braille software like Duxbury and Tactile View. You can even use your Braille Buddy with a Mac. Add the Go Braille wireless device and you can print from any computer or mobile device straight to your IRIE Braille Buddy. Add the optional carry case and you can take Braille Buddy with you wherever you go. Visit the IRIE AT YouTube channel and subscribe to get all our videos about Duxbury, Tactile View, and Tiger software suite, and more.